Welcome back to my F1 education series, and today we are going to cover spark plugs. What unique technological solutions is F1 providing us with today? One of the contributing problems that we see during in most automobile vehicles, and including F1 cars, is engine knock. Engine knock has a variety of contributing factors, but one of them is essentially having uneven distribution of combustion or burning. On the left of this image, you see an even distribution, and on the right, you see an uneven distribution. This could be a variety of reasons. There could be leftover deposits of air and fuel mixture going on, and that essentially is detonated later on after the initial detonation had occurred. So F1 gets rid of the standard spark plugs and applies what's referred to as pre-chamber spark plugs. Pre-chamber spark plugs have a little chamber that takes in a mixture of air and fuel, ignites it, and then has little ports that pour out flames through. Those flames then ignite the local mixture of air and fuel with inside the combustion chamber, and that's what we get a more complete ignition within the mixture that, say, a spark plug wouldn't be able to complete. And that's that. If you have any questions, comment below.